What is that guy doing? I think I should go see if he needs some help. He looks lost.
I think I forgot something.
I can't believe I forgot it. Gotta go all the way back.
Hey, bro, wait.
Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Please, I don't want anything.
What's his problem? Why is he running away from me? Hey, man, stop! Hey, bro, wait, there's an edge there. You gotta stop running, bro, you're gonna fall off. Oh, dang it.
Are you having trouble recognizing things around you? Are you falling off cliffs and dying? If so, you may be visually impaired. Come down to Specs Spectacles to get a prescription for your vision, to avoid events such as these. Also, make sure there's no evidence. Paperwork is such a drag.